So today you looked at solving equations, and I wanted to highlight two problems that cause a lot of issues for students. The first one looks something like this. 2x plus 3 equals 5x plus 3. All right, as I start to solve it, you're going to do like you did in class. We're going to try to get our variables on one side, so I'm going to minus 5x from both sides. And I get negative 3x plus 3 equals 3, because this goes away. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So this becomes negative 3x equals 0. And at this point, it looks funny. That's okay. I'm going to continue with my process. I still want to get x by itself. So we end up with x equals 0. Well, x equals 0 is a solution to this. So the way we can verify it is if you go back up to the top and substitute it back into our original equation, we end up with 2 times 0 plus 3 equals 5 times 0 plus 3. And we want to know, does this balance out? Is this equal? That's a question mark right there. So 0 times 2 is 0, so we've got 3. 5 times 0 is 0, so we got 3. And in fact it does. The balance still holds. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find any solutions that make that balance still hold. All right, the other type of problem that might cause some issues are ones with these negative signs. So whenever I see this, you should be thinking, oh, I'll probably need to distribute. Yes, you do. The question is, what do you distribute? You distribute that minus 2 to everything. So now I've got 5 minus 2x. That's got to go here. So I've got negative 2x times negative 3, which is going to be positive 6. That equals 1. Now it becomes a typical problem that you've been working on. So I've got 5 and 6 is 11. It's on the same side, so I'm going to combine my like terms. So this is 11 minus 2x equals 1. Now I'm going to get my numbers on one side. I've got my variables on the other. So now I've got negative 2x equals negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 2. This goes away. I've got x equals positive 5. And again, I could substitute and verify that it works in there. And you can do that on your own.